Alright, welcome back to Jason's Random Discoveries. Back out here in the snow. Looks like gym shoes ain't gonna make it, so I had to come out here and get my boots from the old Jeep. Yep, I'm one of those guys. Cars in the yard. I love that sound. The wind blowing through the pines. So I don't live in Illinois anymore. We are out here in Kentucky, far away from all that noise. Good luck. Illinois people, good luck to being out here in this storm. Just thought I'd do a quick short update of what we got going on out here with this end of the world snowstorm. Supposedly, of what we're told, when it snows out here, everything gets shut down. You ain't going nowhere. Nobody's coming to save you. You're fending for yourself. You better have your refrigerator stocked. You better have all your needs ready to go. There's no plows that are coming for you. You ain't going to no stores. Somebody's yelling out in the woods. That's the thing here. You got people out there. You got neighbors. That's all you got to rely on. A couple neighbors. Hunker down. This is the snowstorm of the century. All right, I'll check back in when we get a little bit more snow. If we get some ice storms or power outages, if we gotta do some prepper things, some reconfigurations, I'll keep in touch with you guys. Thanks for watching.